What's up guys, this is Manuel for Chain Graphics. Today we're gonna install resistors to fix the hyperflashing, and there's no cutting needed. Okay, let's do it. Okay, these are the resistors, load resistors that I got. These are 7440. These are just a plug and play, and there's no cutting needed because this one just connect this one to the connection, the stock connection, and this one you put the bulb and connect it to the headlight. Okay, so there's no cutting needed at all. Okay, so that's why I got this. For those that doesn't want to cut your wires from your car, these one are super cool. So I got two sets, one set for the front headlights, the turn signals, and another set for the rear turn signals on the tail lights. Okay, as you can see, I already have the, let me see if you can see it, the LED on there. For those who doesn't know what is hyper flashing, when you put LEDs on the turn signals, the bulb will flash faster than the regular way it does. Okay, so that's why you will need resistors for that. Okay, first problem that I found. Okay, let me see if you can see it. You can see here, this one has like a 4. Let me disconnect this. You can see it has 4 clips, okay? But the top one, this one, is a little bit to the left. And on this one, let me remove this one, has 4 clips, but all of the clips are even, so I might have to shape the top one, and I will see if it fits. So I hope this works. Okay, I have to shape one of the clips in order for this one to go inside the headlight. Okay. Okay, now it's inside, you can see it, it's connected, and the resistor is all the way there. I'm gonna put a zip tie with that metal. Okay, it's a little bit hard to put it inside because it's not the same like a pattern, like the stock, the OEM plug. So it's a little bit hard, but you have to push it and do a little bit of rotate the thing, and then it will go inside. So, but now it's inside. The only thing I had to modify is the resistors, the connection. Okay, the plug. Okay, this is the hyper flashing. And this is now the normal. That's the way it has to flash. So the hyper flashing is faster. Okay, let's see it out there. That's a normal flashing. That's hyper flashing. You can see it there. It flashes faster. So now I'm gonna put the other one here and in the rear taillights. Okay, I got that one inside. Okay, I found one thing that is gonna help you a lot. As you can see, this one in the top has these two like on the side plastics, like it makes this thing like a round thing. You have to cut those because the stock plug, the OEM plug, it doesn't have that, so it makes harder the ball when you're trying to put it inside. This thing, it gets stuck in the chrome plastic over there. So you have to cut this piece, top piece, like this like a moon shaped thing, half moon. This one, cut these two on the sides and it will help a lot. It will remove a lot of headache. Okay, so cut these half moon pieces on the sides of the plug. Okay, now it's in. You can see it here, and the wire, I put the resistor right here with a zip tie. Remember to put it on a metal, because if you put it on top of plastic, it's gonna melt. But this one is fine with the zip tie. Okay, you can see it there. Every resistor, put a zip tie close to any metal and stick it there. Tie it there. Okay, now let's do the other one. Okay, here's how I put the resistor with a zip tie. This is the driver side, and on the other one, I don't know if you can see it over here, with another zip tie with this metal. Okay. All right, that's it. Remember you have to modify a little bit the cables in order to fit. Okay guys, those are the Resistors 7440 for the Corolla, and it will also fit on other cars. This one you don't need any cutting at all, just plug and play. Okay, let me know what you guys think about the video, put in the comments. If you like the video, please like the video, and if you're new, subscribe for more videos like this one. See you on the next video.